Hey, good morning, everybody. So we're here with Craig and his 2017 Dodge Ram Rebel. Craig, what's going on with the truck today?
All right, well, we got a doing oil change, a tire rotation, and also we have a check engine light to check out, so it looks like it could be a coil pack.
So we're going to get started, take the wheels off, tear into this thing. Let's get going. So, a little tidbit about Craig. Craig has been in the Army for 40 years. 40 years. This truck wasn't even invented until 30 years into his military service. So thank you, Craig.
I resemble that remark.
Yeah, well, you know what that is? You know what size that is? Probably 11/16, 13 millimeter. Yeah.
11/16?
Yeah.
Or 13?
Yeah, let's try it. Thanks, Aaron. Appreciate you.
Here's your 11/16.
Well, that's way off.
See which here.
13 it is.
13 it is, all right.
And we just need a 3/8 ratchet. We'll break it loose and then find where your oil filter is. Right, yeah. Oh, wait. Wait. Hang on. Right there. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oil hand.
Nope, nope. Oh, a little on my thumb. So close.
Here's some shot right.
Nice. Oh man, I lost the other handle. Hang on. I didn't. This microphone on the bill of my hat was a stupid idea. Dumb idea. Hey, film this.
I physically can't.
This is gonna drain like everything. No.
So, there you go.
Yeah,
Just let her.
Yeah, I'm not taking it off yet. So when you're changing this oil, don't take the oil filter off all the way. Watch it. You just crack it and let it drain itself. Unfortunately, this goes right over top of the rack and pinion here. Oh, this is so ridiculous. So yeah, you don't want to make too big of a mess. Make sure you wipe everything down when you're done. To pre-fill or not to pre-fill? That is the question. You don't pre-fill? Really?
Fun fact, on my Harley, you do pre-fill.
Some of them you pre-fill. What I was always told is that if they go in like this, you fill them, pre-fill them, or at least put a little bit of oil. And definitely always oil your gasket. But if they go like this, don't pre-fill them, or fill them even a little bit, because they'll just drain out. But always oil your gasket. That's the rule of wrist for that. Get more oil.
I got 2 more quarts there, yeah.
Okay. I got it. I mean, I don't want to brag, but I definitely can't see what I'm doing.
Oh, you're there.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to use my other hand. My strong hand. Ugh. Oh wow, still going. Look at that. Ugh. When you're as strong as Hercules, you don't want to strip these out. So just put it in normal human strength and not Good Morning Mechanic strength. So we're gonna stop right there. First, and still have access to down below and up top.
Okay.
So if somebody needs to get
Tell you what, it's nice to have a garage like this.
yeah.
I live in Cleveland, so my garage is for a car from 41. So this thing is as big as my garage.
Right. One last one, and I think we're in business here. I don't know what's happening, but the second I walk away, things just start working. Is it not working now? Okay, cool. Never mind. We're good. It's still broken. Let's keep going. Oh, yeah, man. Number 4. think actually works.
Loose, you tie your lefty.
Alright, it feels better. How's that? She flat?
Yeah, she's good.
Oh, good, dude. Good. How about that?
Should be able to handle both of those pretty well.
Yep.
Plug back into it.
We didn't take them out. Oh, you're talking about the electrical one? Yeah.
Okay.
Those look good. You look pretty good, Dan.
Yeah, you got it. There's clips on the back here. You see, there's one.
Yeah.
He was in.
All right, yeah.
Easy. All right. No Dan strength. Everybody clear? All right. Now we're good. Nice and easy, like I know what I'm doing. Honestly, I wouldn't be able to do this without Aaron. Like, truly. So make sure you guys come down to Wingman Garage and check out what Aaron's got going on. Why am I doing this? There's literally a air tool right there.
If you look at what Dan's doing right now, Dan has broken a rule. Is that a chrome socket?
I don't know why Aaron keeps painting his impact sockets chrome.
I don't even have a rebuttal for that.
All right, guys, so that's going to wrap it up. Craig, was that the problem?
That was a problem. Code is clear.
So he took it for a test drive, and there's only one more thing to do. Burnouts. Burnouts. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a good morning.